Yeah.
Grandpa, there's this one. And it's there's no views on it.
Zero views?
No one sees it.
Click this one then.
Let's have a look.
Zero views must not be very good.
What does the fox say?
Cosmic, what can I do for you?
Are you watching YouTube videos again?
No, it's never. No.
I'm just kidding. You got a couple minutes? I got this prospective new student here. Wants to think about coming to Walnut Grove, and I was hoping maybe you could show him around, see whether he's a good fit for the school.
Yeah, I can do that. Sure.
Come on in, it's Mr. Fast.
Hey kid, if you want to come to Walnut Grove, there's some things you're going to need to know to succeed. Let me show you.
Kay says sweet, McConnell says stir, Farrell says chow, and Weston says squat. So Holy says study, Martin says add, and Rob Chan lights the gas. Ben says cheese, Golden says draw, and Key says still can zip. There's some sounds that you will know. What does Bergen say? Push up, push up, push up now. Push up, push up, push up now. Push up, push up, push up now. What does McGinn say? Time to sweat. Time to sweat. Time to sweat. Why so angry? The school is large. There's lots to do, but you have to make a choice. So come in here and take a look, and we'll make you take a we'll have to use the What does Somerville say? Itchy, 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 wow. Itchy, 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 wow. Itchy, 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 wow. What does Bertone say? Je ne sais, je ne sais, je ne sais pas. Je ne sais, je ne sais, je ne sais pas. Je ne sais, je ne sais, je ne sais pas. Can anyone translate? Secret of our school, for each and everyone. As teachers we all care to learn and have some fun. These teachers think they're smart. They said I can use my fun to research all I want, but all they do is clean. So many things. What does Verholt say? Einstein, Einstein, Einstein rocks. Shakespeare, Shakespeare, Shakespeare rocks. You are sleeping on the couch. What does Wally say? Walnut, Walnut, Walnut Grove. Walnut, Walnut, Walnut Grove. Gator, 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 chomp. What does the fox say?
I don't get it.
That YouTube video has a lot more hits.
Zero is not very many.
So let's do something.
Just do something.
Okay.
I'll go with you.
Dog goes woo, cat goes meow, bird goes tweet, and mouse goes squeak. Cow goes moo, frog goes croak, and the elephant goes toot. Ducks and quack, and fish go blow, and the sea goes ow, ow, ow. But there's one sound that no one knows. What does the fox say? What the fox say? What the fox say?
so beautiful, like an angel in disguise. But if you meet a friendly host, will you communicate by how will you speak to that What does the fox say? What the fuck say? What the fuck say? What the fuck say? What does the fuck say?
Get up! That's it! Merry Christmas, everybody! No, really, that is it. We're tired. That's a lot of stuff. Don't call me Milky. Ladies and gentlemen, 2013 has been a heck of a year. We're very much looking forward to seeing what you bring to us in 2014. I think you can see we're here to bring a lot. Okay? Merry Christmas, everyone. Thanks for coming. Have a happy